If you're thinking about purchasing one of these hydraulic scissor lifts for your motorcycle, check out this video. Give it a watch and see what you think. I bought a Black Widow, and I'm using it on my WR450F, and it's worked wonderful. I kind of go through the unboxing. This setup was super easy and quick. You just had to mount on the peg holders, and I've used it on the CRF 110, the 70, my YZ 250, and the WR450, and it's been stable and good. Yeah. So hopefully this thing will do. So I'm gonna go through. I spent some time with this Black Widow lift. It was just like an inch lower. I need to tighten the bottom bracket thing, but that's the only. You still gotta kind of heave it up quick. All right. I do think, even though these take a little bit of time to put on, I do think they're worth doing. Especially the head and bug. This high up in the air. There's that one. I still don't know how you change your oil on this thing. You have to be really good hitting the right spot. Yep. Okay. I'll put the safety thing in. So that's it. It's on casters. So roll it around. You know, it's. The other night I took the back tire off and put a tube in it, and you know, it stayed up there. It did good. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's super handy. I've got enough room in here today. And now we're working on the back of it. And I was really impressed when I took the back tire off. You know, it didn't. I was afraid it was going to kind of shift backwards, but it didn't. It did good. I don't know how changing the oil would go, because you have to take this. I guess you could take the skid plate off, and then there's a little cut in the bottom of that platform you could try to hit, but I think it's going to do the oil on the ground. So, you know, I'm pretty impressed with it. For right around $200 shipped. Picks this one up good. It holds it good. I haven't left it up overnight or anything. I don't really see a reason to, but my biggest thing was when I take the back tire off, or when I want to do something with the tires, that it didn't want to rock and shift and move. That's not the case. It did pretty good. So yeah, that's that.